Now see the third example. See what it is. If Surekha Tai bought a tractor for rupees 8 lakh 7,957 and thresher for rupees 32,609, how much money did she spend altogether? Okay. Surekha Tai bought a tractor and thresher for their work. Okay. Then their amount they given, tractors amount they given and thresher amount they given. And what they ask? They ask how much money did she spend altogether? Means for both collectively, how much money she spent, that we have to find. As here we have to find the all together, means what we have to do? Yes, which operation we have to do in this question? We have to do the, yes, addition. Which operation we have to do? Addition operation. So let's see how to solve this question. So here is the tractor amount and here is the thresher amount. Now all together we have to find. Now do the addition. 7 plus 9. 7 keep in your mind and count the 9 finger. After 7. Yes. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. For 16, 6 we have to write here, carry 1. Now 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 0 is 6 only. Now 9 plus 6. 9 keep in your mind, count the 6 fingers. Yes, 9 plus 6 is 15. So for 15, 5 here, carry 1. Now 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 2 after 8, 9, 10. For 10, 0 you have to write here and carry 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 3, after 1 count the 3 finger, after 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 you have to write here and this 8 is as it is. So what is the answer? So all together how much is the amount? 8,40,566. Therefore she spent altogether 8,40,566 rupees. Understood everyone? Now let's see the fourth example. See the fourth question. A textile mill produced a 17,24,938 meter of cloth last year. Okay, that mill is there, textile mill is there. It produced how much meter of the cloth? 17,24,938 meter of the cloth. In which year? Last year. Okay, and 23,47,056 meter this year. And this year how much cloth they produced? 23,47,056. Okay. Now what is the question? What was the total production for the 2 years? Okay, what we have to find? We have to find the total production of which year? Of last year and this year. Okay, of last year and this year, the both total production we have to find. Everyone understood? Is it you are understood the question? Yes, understood the question to everyone? Okay. So for understanding, you have to write each and every word problem 2 to 3 times. Then it is easy for you. Okay, you have to find the meaning of question and then you have to try to solve. Okay, so first you have to understood the question. As they ask the total, as they ask the total means which operation we have to do? Yes, addition. Okay, so let's see how to solve this question. So see here, so that much meter of the cloth is produced in last year and that much meter of the cloth is produced this year. Now total production we have to find. Okay, total production we have to find. So first we have to make the column and put the number of last year and this year. Okay, last year and this year. Now we have to find the total production, no? So we have to do here addition. So see here, 8 plus 6. 8 plus 6. 8 keep in your mind and count the 6 fingers. 8, keep in your mind and count the 6 finger. So 8 plus 6 is 14. So for 14, 4 here, carry 1. Now 1 plus 3 is 4 and 4 plus 5 is 9. Now 9 plus 0 is 9 only, and 4 plus 7, 4 keep in your mind and count the 7 finger. 4 plus 7 is 11. So for 11, 1 here, carry 1. Now 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay, and 3 plus 4, 3 keep in your mind, count the 4 finger. 3 plus 4 is 7. Now 7 plus 3 is 10. For 10, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So what is the total production of the cloth is what? 40,71,994. Therefore, total production of cloth was 40,71,994. 40,71,994. Understood everyone? Yes. So that is about the fourth one. Now fifth example. That fifth example you have to try to solve yourself. See, same like fourth one only. Same like here only. Just I am going to read the question and what you have to find, that I am going to explain. If the government gave rupees 34,62,950 worth of computers and rupees 3,26,578 worth of TV sets to the schools, what is the total amount it spent on this equipment? Yes, the two amount they given about the computer and about the TV set. Now what they ask, total amount they ask. As they ask the total, means which operation you have to do? Yes, here we have to do the addition operation. Okay, so same like that only, make the column, put the numbers right there, worth of computer and worth of TV set amount, and then do the addition. And after addition, again you answer you have to write in a word form. Understood everyone? So today here we conclude the problem set 9. Here total 5 examples are there. Out of 5, just now we have seen about the first, second, third and fourth. Okay, I think everyone have understood this. Very simple addition is here. Just you have to read the question properly and then try to solve it yourself. So fifth one you have to do as a homework. Now what is the homework for you? On new page write the heading problem set 9 and then solve this. Okay, then solve this all 5 examples in your CW properly, systematically. And regular homework everyone know, every day you have to write, learn and write 2 to 20 tables in your rough book properly. Understood everyone? Okay, thank you.